When it comes to grilling, the sizzling flames and smoky aromas have long been associated with succulent cuts of meat. However, grilling isn't limited to meats alone. It's a versatile technique that can transform vegetables and seafood into mouth-watering culinary delights. Whether you're a vegetarian seeking new ways to prepare vegetables or a seafood lover eager to showcase the ocean's bounty, mastering grilling techniques for vegetables and seafood will unlock a world of flavors. Let's explore some popular grilling techniques for vegetables and seafood that will take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. The grilling technique for vegetables. Vegetables on the grill are a revelation. The flames impart a smoky char and enhance their natural sweetness, creating an explosion of flavors. Here are some tried and true techniques for grilling vegetables. Direct grilling for vegetables that cook quickly, such as asparagus, zucchini, or bell peppers. Direct grilling over medium-high heat works wonders. Toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and place them directly on the grill grates. Flip them occasionally until they achieve a tender yet slightly crisp texture with beautiful grill marks. Indirect grilling for denser vegetables like potatoes, carrots, or butternut squash. Indirect grilling is the key. Start by partially cooking them in the microwave or blanching them in boiling water to soften them slightly. Then, transfer them to the indirect heat side of the grill and cook them slowly until they become tender and caramelized. Skewering. Skewering vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, or onions is a great way to prevent them from falling through the grill grates. Thread them onto skewers, brush with marinade or oil, and grill them over medium heat until they are charred and tender. Kebabs with a medley of grilled vegetables are not only visually appealing, but also a delicious addition to any meal. The grilling technique for seafood. Seafood and grilling are a match made in culinary heaven. The high heat of the grill seals and the juices imparts a smoky flavour and creates tantalising grill marks. Here are some techniques to elevate your seafood grilling game. Grilling fish fillets. Start with firm fish fillets like salmon, tuna, or snapper. Ensure that the grill grates are well oiled to prevent sticking. Season the fillets with your choice of herbs, spices, or marinades and place them on the grill over medium-high heat. Cook the fish for a few minutes on each side until it becomes opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Remember, fish cooks quickly, so keep a watchful eye to avoid overcooking. Shrimp skewers. Marinate shrimp in your favourite blend of spices, garlic, and lemon juice. Thread them onto skewers, leaving a little space between each shrimp. Grill the skewers over medium heat, turning them occasionally, until the shrimp turn pink and opaque. Grilled shrimp skewers make for a delightful appetizer or a main course when served with a flavourful sauce or tossed into a salad. Grilling whole fish. Grilling a whole fish creates a stunning centerpiece and imparts an incredible flavour. Clean and scale the fish, making sure to score the flesh to help it cook evenly. Stuff the cavity with aromatics such as lemon slices, herbs, or garlic. Rub the fish with oil and season it generously with salt and pepper. Grill the fish over medium heat, carefully flipping it once until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily. The crispy skin and succulent meat will impress your guests and elevate any outdoor gathering. Grilling techniques for vegetables and seafood opens up a world of possibilities, catering to a variety of dietary preferences and offering a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional grilling fare. Experiment with different vegetables, seafood varieties, and flavour combinations to create your signature dishes that will wow your family and friends. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to grilling. Don't be afraid to try new techniques, embrace the art of grilling vegetables and seafood, and let your creativity flourish. With each grilling session, you'll gain confidence, refine your skills, and delight in the mouth-watering results that come from mastering the art of grilling vegetables and seafood. So fire up the grill, embrace the flavours of the grill, and savour the deliciousness that awaits with your new methods for grilling techniques for vegetables and seafood. Thanks for watching.